Okay, greetings everyone. Welcome to Gerard Black in the Philippines with the truth. I'm sorry I'm out of uniform. Well, I want to thank all of you who are watching and following me. We didn't get all our bills taken care of yesterday. We're not going back into Dumaguete today because I have to go tomorrow for a dentist. And sometimes I just like to cut down on all the driving. But there's some things I got to take care of here in Avalon. We have to take care of. And one thing is I got to stop by the pawn shop. For those of you who didn't notice, I didn't have to put it in the pawn in February, which means we had a good month so far. So right now, let me get Sherry, open the gate, please. We're going to go to Dumaguete. I can go to Avalon and get some coins out of the bank and go pay some bills. And also, I want to tell you that I apologize for the mic going in and out like that. I tried yesterday to find a new microphone, but I just couldn't find one. So right now, I'm not going to use a mic, which means I have to talk a little louder. So here we go. Start there? Okay. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, I'll see you. Okay, we're gonna stop right here because I can't record while we're driving because you get too much wind. Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay, so the land bank. The land bank is where they have an ATM.
Ay mo to.
Mayoto. Me, I help you out the language. I still get confused between the afternoon, my bodag, my beach, my hapon, Mayoto. Those are different regions. My hapon, amigo.
Ay mo to.
Oh, Mayoto. I did it again.
That's a municipal in Amlan. Market.
So right now I will be spending close to 20. Take out 10,000 at a time, and 10,000 at a time is $200 at a time. But you can do it up to 5 times, which means you can get up to 50,000 pesos out of the bank.
Oh, you do again? You cannot do one time only.
No, you can't do it one time. You got to do it several times. If you want something over 10,000 pesos. It's a nice day. If you look over there, that's the police precinct. Our post office is over there. And behind us is on that side is where the tennis court is.
This side. Behind. There. Over there. Yeah.
One time I was at my branch and I tried to make a withdrawal and I didn't get it. Or it indicated that it gave it to me, but I didn't get the money. Not only that, I didn't get my card back. So I kept saying, I didn't get my card, I didn't get my card. And so the guard came out and says, well, there's nothing. Mayoto. It says
Did you get your team?
yeah. It's like there's nothing you can do about it. You know, because they can't give me my card. I have to come back the next day like this. Come to find out, when I got home, I had it in my wallet the whole time.
You forgot that you got already.
I had it in my wallet. All right, we're going to saddle up. Head on down to San Jose. We'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay, we were looking for a friend's house. So we're not able to find it, but I want you to see how beautiful the Philippines are. What kind of tree is this?
Banana.
This is a banana tree.
Banana tree.
Mayo.
Yeah, the fruits, look. I show you the fruits.
Oh yeah, you can see the bananas up there.
Yeah.
You know what's interesting when you watch the Filipino movies, the old ones, PBS or something like this, they're in the woods and they're shooting pistols. And I decided that if you hide behind a banana tree,
It's hard to.
it's very soft. So it's not going to offer a whole lot of protection for you than if it was a coconut tree. Coconut tree is hard. So that's a little advice for you if you want to, if you have to be being shot at, don't hide behind a banana tree. Okay, so what I'm going to do for you is first, I want you to say hello to lovely Mia. Say hello, Mia. Say hello to lovely Filipina. Hello. Say hello, Mia. Okay, what we're going to do is that I'm going to drive down very slowly and let Mia just photograph the road going down. There might be some wind behind it, but I'm not going to say anything, so this is just for visual.
Drive slow, huh? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a coconut tree there, right here, right?
Yeah. That's a coconut.
Coconut tree. This is really kind of jungle-ish.
Going to the mountain.
Yeah, like being up in the mountains. Hello, little girls. Look at this. This probably was a store or something, or maybe just a hangout spot for the boys. A couple of bikes there. You get a real good look at the homes here. You know, one thing about the homes is that they're like generational homes. You know, it may be like 3, 4 generations live in them.
This is school.
And this is a school here. And look at the little small goats. Man, like pocket size. They are called kids. A baby goat is called a kid. So, and of course, you got water.
Water.
We didn't want to cross this. Oh, we got to turn around and go back. I said, what? It's just water. I'll go. So you see that it's kind of good. Look at the Philippine culture, how they live it. This is one of the main causes for accidents in the Philippines, the dogs. Because they don't run across the street. They take their time crossing the street. But then oftentimes the reasons why people have bike accidents because they hit them, or sometimes they just lay in the road and just as if to dare you to hit them. So, I always admire a dog that got a gray beard, because that means he's been around for a long time.
It's deep.
Yeah, if you look over here, you see how steep this is. Here.
Stop here. There. Stop there.
Oh.
I don't, no need to stop. I'm scared.
No.
No. Here. This side. I'm scared. You stop there.
No. Look at the road tree. Look. You see how steep it is?
I'm
Wow.
scared to get it.
See, now this is the type of time where you will climb down here and go walking through the woods.
Yeah.
But this is nice, quiet. Oh, here, you can see here.
Yeah.
There's a road there. So at some point where you can enter it. I bet at nighttime it's very, very black. Very dark here. There are petrol vehicles here. Yeah, I see the highway. Yeah. The car wash right there. Mia has been a great help for my driving, because she sees things that when I don't see them, that I should be seeing. Okay. It's gonna get noisy here, so we're gonna pause right here.
Pause it.
Yeah. Okay, right now we're just pulled into San Jose. This is a tennis court where I used to play tennis court also. And coming around to the market, this is San Jose Marketplace. I've done videos here with the fish, meat. I don't think I did the pawn shop. If you look over here, this is where a lot of vegetables. This is the police department right here.
Department. Marketplace.
My abode.
It's marketplace.
My abode. My abode and my other amigo. I want to go get for their mine. Fish market. Hi, my apple. Hi, girlfriend. How are you? How are you doing? Okay. Good. Okay. Just come here. This is air corner here. Oh, I thought it was air corner here. Where's Marianne?
So happy.
Oh, she's not here. Oh, wow. Where is she? Oh, is she working there now?
No, just for today.
Just for today? Oh, okay. Does she know what she's doing? Does she know what she's doing?
Yes.
Oh, she do? Oh, I'm going to test her. Mayoto, ma'am, how are you? Okay. Do you sell jewelry here?
No, we don't, sir. We just only accept jewelry for clothing.
Oh.
Thank you, ma'am.
So you're going to redeem this one?
Now I'm gonna put 10,000 on it.
You're going to the
Down payment.
partial payment? Or what?
Yeah, 10,000.
We're going to partial payment for 10,000.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah, of course.
How much I owe on it? It's only 20,000 or something like that, right? Huh?
8,000.
Yeah. Okay.
So you're going to down 10,000.
It's only 28,000.
28, so you have balance 18.
10,500.
Yeah, I didn't take out 20,000. Yeah, just 10,000.
And we're going to give 10,545.
Okay.
And then the new amount will be 18,000.
Okay, if you say so, I trust you. Okay. So what's your name?
Hannah.
This is the girl. This is my other girlfriend right here. How are you doing? How's your family?
Are you gonna sign this one here?
Son, where?
The back.
Ball pen.
Down the paper.
Where's your ball pen?
And there's no gold here.
Okay.
And I have the register at 10,545.
You know, everywhere I've gone, pawn shops have always been a lifesaver for me. I don't sell stuff or sell my personal items. I'd rather just pawn them. But by the grace of God, I've been able to hang on to everything.
26 ba na? 28. Dili na? Hindi ko kaklaro. 28,
This is my.
26. Ah, pwede ba?
I don't want to go into too much description about it.
Ako, permahan na.
It's safe here. Yeah, pawn shops are a poor man's safety deposit box. So, like, if you got, I used to put. I was gonna say, look how long our hair is, but she's already passed by. I used to put gold in for maybe about 5,000 pesos. That was far more valuable, but just wanted to put it in there because where I was staying at that night, I knew it wouldn't be safe, or I may have gotten robbed or something like that. So I always listened to my sixth sense and put my valuables in pawn shops. In Las Vegas, they have pawn shops that stay open 24 hours. So you can always go and put whatever it is that you feel that you don't want to lose into a pawn shop. But like I was saying earlier, the last one has been a good month for us. We've already. She keeps forgetting to give me a bed now.
Your change is 445. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And your principal is 18,000.
Okay. And this is for you guys snacks, okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your generosity.
Okay. Thank you for watching my jewelry.
Okay.
Okay, I see you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, see you next time, okay?
Yes, sir. See you next time.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You know, sometimes when you tip them, like 50 pesos or 100 pesos, it may not be that much to us, but it means a lot to them because 100 pesos can go a long way. Okay, so I'm just gonna roll by and just say hello to Orlando. We're not gonna stop. Because we're heading home. Keep it rolling, Mia. So you want exit on out. Okay?
Oh, it's I don't know. Her mother's
Hello,
there.
Marge.
I think no, it's close, but they're waiting.
Orlando, how are you?
No, it's Lando.
Orlando's not there?
Sleeping.
Oh, you're sleeping.
Relaxing. It's lunchtime.
I just stopped to say hello. This is Ugly Dog. Come here, Ugly Dog. Ugly Dog. This is Luna's mother. You know, Luna is the other dog, the small thing that we had. She used to belong to us. And she was so ugly, I named her Ugly Dog. Okay, Orlando, I'll see you later.
It's Lando's store
My
also.
apples. Don't look so mean. Oh! My apples. Oh, my auto. How are you? How are you? Five. 1,000? Oh, yeah. Long time no see. You saw me yesterday. Yeah. I catch you next time. So when you gonna come by, bring us some fish?
Yeah, I visit your place in Amlan.
Yeah, bring fish through there. Yeah.
Are you have number?
Huh?
Number.
I call you.
Yeah, you call me. They don't,
I catch the fish. I want to spur fishing.
oh, you want spear fishing? Yeah, spear fishing.
Spur fishing is my hobby.
Yeah, good. So where's your wife? I don't see your wife now.
And the sun, working in the sun, there in the crossing the lake, the new restaurant.
Oh,
The new restaurant there, Langga.
oh, okay.
What's your number here?
Here. Take a picture of the car.
I
right here. 093.
take a picture. I always watching your
YouTube channel. Well, you
YouTube
going
channel. I will.
you gonna be on this one? Oh, okay. Hold on. So tell everybody your name.
Amigo.
Tell everybody your name. You're gonna be on my
Hello
YouTube
guys,
channel.
I am Milot Salimbagat.
He is a spear fisherman.
Yeah,
and he goes by our house and
I
spearfish.
call you.
Yeah, call me, okay?
Yeah. Oh, the people around call you amigo. Thursday month.
I know I am Thursday, no. Thursday today, no.
Next time, amigo.
No, it's not in it. Not in it. It's not in it. It's not in it. It's not in it.
Call amigo. I call you.
Okay. In it means hot. My hot food.
No init.
What dirty say me?
Habal-habal daw. You want to ride habal-habal?
Oh, no, habo. Okay,
Okay.
here we go. The habo is one of these motorcycles that they have extended metal on it where they can ride up to like 5 people on the bike. Okay, we're gonna cut it off here so you won't get so much wind. Okay, we'll be right back. Oh, we just stopped at another place. We stopped at a Sari-Sari store. And the owner of this place Her name is Gisele. She's one of the first businesses I used to patronize when I first came to the Philippines. And her store has virtually everything you want. Especially these crackers, these cookies. I was so addicted to them, I was buying them like 5 packs at a time. And when she ran out of them, I said, Gisele, I used to come, did you get the cookies? Did you get the cookies? So it was kind of crazy. But here, say hello to Gisele. That's Gisele. And this is her store. It has a lot of things in here, pretty much everything you need. So how are you doing, Gisele?
Hi.
How are you doing?
Okay.
Where is James and...
They're out. Maybe dumagete. I don't know.
Oh, let me get a Marlboro.
Yeah.
Oh, she got... You got 5?
going to get-
Okay. Did you pay her?
Yeah, I am going to get kuan ng...
How come she didn't give you... How did they give her plastic?
No, I don't have.
Oh my God.
I have extra, but it's not same.
No, I don't want the
No,
box.
Yeah, you do.
No.
The taste different.
Yeah, they taste different. You know what? I got a carton of American cigarettes. You think you want to try to sell them? But they're 1,000 pesos a pack.
1,000 pesos? Yeah, more than 1,000.
Wala na, nakasaksak na usa. Aw. Nay, Coke Zero?
Wala.
Kaya na lang.
Okay, Gisele, you got those cookies, by the way?
Yeah.
Where are they? Where are they? Listen. Mia, open this.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, how many?
Give me 3. Yeah, these are them. These are some good tasting cookies. I really kind of stopped eating them because of sugar. Because I'm trying to watch my weight. You know. And, she's laughing now because I used to drive her crazy about where. Yeah, I was addicted to it. That was the only thing I was addicted to. But yeah, I was thinking, Gisele, wow. Thank you, Gisele. Gisele's not married. No. No, I'm not sure. She's not looking for a boyfriend. But she's not married, so she's a nice gal. I used to come and bother a lot of times. Most of the time, I used to come bother when I was drinking. And then I would chase her around the store. No, I'm only joking. I shouldn't say that. But yeah, it was always nice seeing her and coming here. Me and I, when we had the brownout from the typhoon, we used to come here. We used to come here and sit and have coffee. And Gisele used to let us charge our cell phones and whatever we needed because she was like the only one to have power. But Gisele has a very unique way of operating her store. On days like New Year's and Christmas, on those holidays, she stays open 24 hours. And my household, say hello to my friends. Here, say hello. Bye. Say hello. Yeah, video. For my American friends. Are you married? Happily? Are you happily married? Oh, okay. So she's happily married, so we'll leave her alone. Okay. But as you can see, I film over there. Wow, look at that one. Big tattoo. She
That's our neighbor.
that's our neighbor? Which one?
Louder.
Wow. And she can, huh?
He's a businessman. Selling clothes, short.
Who's selling clothes? Oh. Which neighbor is that?
She lives at the big house there in June.
Oh, okay. Boy, she look like she can kick my ass. Okay. Okay, Gisele. We see you, Gisele. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, ma'am. Okay. We're going to load up and we're going to head on back to the Ponderosa. Okay, this is Gerard. You're watching Gerard Black in the Philippines with the truth. I'll be right back. Okay, I want to thank you for watching another installment of Gerard Black in the Philippines with the truth. As they say in show business, it's in the can. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, share, and like. This video, me and I took a little short nature look, and that's why it's called that. So you'll find out the reason why, or you found out the reason why. We need to walk out a little bit more. And Gisele, the owner of the Sari-Sari store, is very special because when I first moved to Ablon, I used to stop at her store and sit and we would talk. She was very knowledgeable about the politics, about Ablon, and about the Philippines. So I gained a lot of knowledge talking with her. Okay, so remember, dreams are nothing more than plans awaiting action. Never disrespect the elderly and always pull someone up. And sometimes you're the only one to see your vision. And the best revenge in life is to live good. I'm living good today. I hope you are too. I'll talk to you later. If you're lucky enough to have a woman like Ollie Woodson, former lead singer of Temptation once sung, treat her like a lady. And ladies, if you're lucky enough to have a good man like me, never say no and treat him like a king. I will always love you more. Love you like a love song, baby. Thanks for watching.